Hello guys. In this video, we will see how Java stores primitive data types and non-primitive data types, especially strings in a simple way and with more examples. We jump into the memory management, we have to know the primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are predefined and built into the Java, and these are the primitive data types, while non-primitive data types are created by programmers except the string. If you want a short answer for this video, primitive data types are stored directly into the stack, including the values, or stored directly into the stack, while non-primitive data types stores a reference in the stack and object in the heap. That's a short and key point for this video. We have a stack memory representation over here and a heap. Heap is set in a irregular shape. Why? It is because it is expandable. And we have SCP, which is a string constant bulk. All these things will be under JVM. I have taken the example of some of primitive. Int x is equal to 5. It will be stored directly into the stack. Okay. Same goes for double. Y is equal to 4.5. And same goes for character z is equal to. All these things will be stored directly into the stack. And int x1 is equal to 5, which has the same value, but it will have all memory position in the stack. You can see here int is equal to 5, int x1 is equal to 5. Both have separate placeholders inside the stack. So it is in the stack only, not in the heap. Primitives or stores value in the stack, okay, not in the heap. Now we will proceed with non-primitives. In non-primitives, we are taking especially with strings. Okay, strings can be created with a new keyword and another one by string literals. So we will see these examples. String s1 equal to new string of object is a Google. Okay, now the s1 will be, the reference will be stored in the stack and the value will be stored in the heap. Okay, this is how it works in non-primitives. Then directly the S1 will be stored in the stack and the object will be stored inside the heap. Now it will check with the SCP whether this Google object is present in the SCP or not. If not present, what it will do is it will create another object inside the SCP. So total number of object created here is 2. One is in the heap, another one is inside SCP. We will proceed with the second example. String s2 is equal to apple, which is created using string literals. Here, what it will do is it will create a reference in the stack and it will directly create the object inside the string constant pool. So total number of object created is 1. Now s3 is equal to new string of Google. So what it will do is again it will create inside the heap and it will check if Google created inside the SCP it's created, so it won't create any new object. Then the object created here is 1. Now string s4 is equal to new string of FB. So what it will do is it will create a reference inside the stack and it will create the object inside the heap, the name of FB. Okay, and it will again check in the string constant pool. We will proceed with the next example. String s5 Google. So it is created by string literals. What it will do is it will create a reference in the inside stack and it will check if there is available in the string constant pool. Okay, it's there, so it won't create any object. It will directly point to the string constant pool. Next is string s6 equal to meta plus s4. So it is created by string literals. What it will do is it will create a reference in stack s6 and it will search in the string constant pool and it will create a new object inside string constant pool. Now we will have the recap of it. We have to create with new keyword Google. So it will create a reference in the stack and it will create object in the heap and it will check in the SCP. If not present, it will create on object over there. And then using string literals, it will create a reference in the stack and it will create the object in the SCP. We will have the overview. Primitive stores value in the stack, and non-primitive stores reference the stack and object in the heap. Okay, this is a question for you. Where are the wrapper class objects stored in Java? Comment below. Thank you.